everyone, welcome to my channel Hindi CBSE Classroom. Please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button next to it so that you'll get notification whenever I post a new video. So as discussed, we are doing basics of Hindi sessions. So this is day 2. First we have covered Varnamala, Hindi Varnamala, both Swar and Vyanjan. So I hope you have viewed that video and you have by hearted or you have understood how to pronounce all the Swars and Vyanjan. So today we are going to take Matraएं. So let's go to the topic. So first, before we start, let me tell you one simple logic. What is Matra? Matra is nothing but the sound of a Swar. All Swar doesn't have Matra, but most Swars have Matra. So in case of it has no particular Matra, but it is believed that all the Vyanjans are not full, don't have full sound. All the Vyanjans are pronounced as K. But when this A comes with K, then only it forms Ka. So K plus A is equal to Ka. For example, I will tell you. In English, if we want to write cat, how will we write? We'll take C, then A, then T. These are consonants, and this is vowel. But in case of Hindi, we can't take the swars as it is in some cases. In some cases, we have to take like for instance, let's take anaj, crop. We want a, then we want na, then anaj, so we want a, then we want j. Okay? So how will we write? We can't write like naj. This is wrong. So what here we have to write? We have to write a, then this na, then a ki matra. That I will teach you later. This is matra. A, na, then comes j. Anaj. Even this is also different. This is n plus a, and this is j plus a. So a plus n plus a plus j plus a is equal to anaj. This is the final letter. So cat we just wrote C, then A, then T. It's not like in case of Hindi n plus a na, a, then j plus a ja. Then again we have to simplify into one letter. This n plus a equal to na. Okay, hope you got the point. Now I will tell you all the matras of single swars. So now let's learn matra individually. Okay, so let's first start with a. A doesn't have any matra as a particular, but as I told you earlier, every Vyanjan is incomplete without a. That is, it is only K. But if you want the sound of Ka, then A has to be added. That is, K plus A equal to Ka. K plus A is Ka. Likewise, K plus A, Kha. Okay? Sorry. G plus A is equal to Ga. Likewise, all the Vyanjans will come. For example, if you need to write Kal, tomorrow, or today, sorry, yesterday, Kal. So how we will write? K plus A plus L be written as k. These two will combine and it will be like kal. Kal, yesterday or tomorrow. Kal. K plus a, ka. L plus a, la. So, kal. So, likewise, a is combined with each or every vyanjan to form its proper voice. Ka, la. This is about a. Now, let's move on to a. So, now, a. And one more thing, the swars matra is only used when that particular swar comes in middle or at the end. For example, if we want to write a, we never use a matra. We directly write a, then ma, a. But when a comes in the middle, that is k plus a plus m. Then how we'll write? Then we'll take this matra. Calm. Okay? Same in the case when it comes with the back. R plus m plus a. Then what we'll write? Rama. Then we'll take this matra and we'll write Rama. That is, a ki matra is this one. We'll add k plus a, ka, kha, ga. Likewise. Okay. So let's move on to next one. Then for E, we have matra, this one, small e, big E, for that we have E. Okay. So here how it will come? Ki. Okay. Gi. Here how it will come? Ki. Gi. Okay. So now let's write some words. That is ki. For ki, Kiran. Kiran. K plus E. Sorry. K plus E. Kiran. Keel. K plus E plus L. Keel. Okay. So E is having this matra. E is having this. Here Vyanjan will come. Here Vyanjan will come. In this case, here Vyanjan will come. This for short E, for this E, the matra will come in front of Vyanjan. For this E, the matra will come after Vyanjan. See, K, Vyanjan is here before Ki. In this, after Vyanjan. Okay. Now, U, U. U, U. For this, the Vyanjan will come here. Matra is like this. Comma, but in this direction. And in case of U, Vyanjan will come here like this. Inward outward. This is oo. This is oo. Okay. So let's see an example. Ka, ku. Ka, ku. In case of ra, the matra won't come here but here. Ru. Ru. Okay. Ma, mu. Mu. Okay. Now let's see some examples. Okay. That is the first one. Ma. Ma plus u plus kha. So it comes to mukh, face. Ma plus u plus kha, mukh. Okay. Then comes oo. That is oo. Oo, how will write? Pa plus oo plus ja. Puja. Okay. P plus oo plus ja. Puja. Then next one comes r. R. So r's matra is this one. Here Vyanjan will come. This is the r's matra. For example, vriksh, tree. V plus r plus ksha. Vriksh. Vriksh. Next is Krishna. K, r की मात्रा shna. Krishna. So r, k plus r becomes kr. Gr or gr, this matra. Okay, this is r's matra, this portion. This portion is taken as matra. Okay. So next one is a. A, I. So A's matra is this one. I's matra is this one. Here Vyanjan will come. Here also Vyanjan will come. So let's see an example. Sa plus a, say. S plus I, sai. Okay. So let's see an example. S plus a plus b, sab. S plus a plus b, sab. P plus I, P plus I plus S plus A. That is paisa, money. Paisa. Okay. Now next one is O, Ow. O. Ow. The matra is, okay, and here the matra will be O. Ow. So how we will write? Ko. If you put matra here, that is on k, it becomes K. But when we add a standing line and give that same symbol, ko, and here cow, cow. So let's write an example for we each. T plus O plus T plus A. What will come? First, if we combine these two, what will come? To. To. Then these two, ta. To, ta. T plus O plus T plus A. These two will come to. These two, ta. To, ta. Then for this one, ow. Ow. Rat. When the swar comes in the beginning or at the front, we use the word as it is. But when it comes in the middle, then how we'll use? Like naukar. One example is na plus au ka plus ra. How we write this word? Naukar. Na au ka ra. Naukar. Okay. All these vyanjans are k plus a. Okay. K plus a. R plus a. Here also r plus a. T plus a. Then only ta. Ra. Out. And one more thing. When two swars comes together, then we can write the word as it is in the middle. For example, like kawwa. So, k plus au plus a. We cannot combine two swars together. One vyanjan and one swar should be there. Then only we can combine both of them. So, in this case, how we will write? We will write k plus au, cow. Then we will write the a as it is, kawwa. 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 But if here ma was there, then we will eradicate this and we will write ma. Kawma. No such word is there. I am just telling you for an example. Okay. So hope you understood. O and ow. O matra is standing line and one matra. Then standing line, two matra. Okay. So O, ow. Ko, cow. Kho, cow. Go, go. Like that this will come. Now the last three matraएं are a. last two swars, and one additional is there, Chandrakala. Chandrakala matra is there. For this is the matra. For this is the matra, and for this same one is the matra. Okay. So where do we use this? Come. Ka. Okay. So let's write a word for that. Rang. Sound will come. Rang. Okay. Rang. Ra plus ang plus ga. Rang. Pratah. Pratah. Morning. This is the sound of ha. Pratah. Ha. Punah. 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 And last one is Chandrakala. Chand. Chand. Aankhein. Aankhein. In those cases we use Chandrakala. Okay. So rang, ang, rang, then pankh, pankh, sang. For those we use ang. Pankh, pankh, sang, rang, and for this pratah, punah, and Chandrakala, chand, aankhein, aankhein, chand, punah, pankh. Okay. So those are the matraएं. So let's revise one more time. A has no particular matra. It is just added to the vyanjan. For A, the matra is T. Vyanjan is written here. Then we can add this matra. Then in case of E, this is E. Here vyanjan will come. E, matra is here vyanjan will come. Matra is E. In the front, at the back. Then R. Okay. Here vyanjan will come. This is R matra. Then for U, what is the matra? Here vyanjan will come U. Then here vyanjan will come U. Inwards, outwards. For A, this is the matra. For I, single, double. For O, A plus A, O matra. You can by heart in that way. I, O. A plus A. So both the matra combined together, O. Then Au. Au. How will write? Au. I plus A, Au. Okay. A, E, U, A, I, R, O, Au, A. Matra is vyanjan will come here and then bindi. Then for aha, vyanjan will come here and then two bindis. Then last one is Chandrakala. Okay. So hope you understood the chapter Matraएं. These are the Matraएं we use to represent words when Vyanjan and Swars come together. In order to simplify the word, we use Matraएं. Okay? So thank you. If you like the video, please like the video and subscribe to my channel, and we'll see with another topic on the next day.